Introduction to Carpentry Tools. Working gloves.
Tell me that you turned down the night.
Level bar.
For your hand, 'cause you're waiting for me. And I know you're gonna
Goggles.
be away a while, but I've got no plans at all to leave. And would you take
Pull push rule.
my hopes and dreams and just stay with me? Ooh, my
Try square.
senses come to life while I'm stumbling home as drunk as I have ever been, and I'll never
Pencil.
leave again, 'cause you are the only
Claw
one
hammer.
who my friends have gone to find another place to let their
Compass saw.
hearts collide. Just promise me you'll always be
Plane.
there, 'cause you are the only one.
Chisel.
Take my hand and my heart and soul, I will
Screwdriver.
only have these eyes for you. You know everything changes, but
Knife.
we'll be strangers if we see this through.
Oil stone.
Would you stay with me? Oh, Lord, now all my senses come to life while I'm stumbling
Nail.
home as drunk as I have ever been, and I'll never leave.
Goggles used to protect the eyes against flying debris, dust, and harmful liquids.
Place to let their hearts collide. Just
Comb
promise
tie
me
is used to comb long hair for girls.
'cause you are the only one. I'm stumbling up drunk, getting so lost.
Working
I am
gloves
so gone.
used to protect hands while working to avoid cut and pressure. Pull push roller. It is a retractable tape measure. It is used to measure irregular and regular shapes. Pencil used to lay out or mark cutting lines. Try square. It is a tool primarily used to test the flatness or accuracy of a right angle. Compass saw to cut a regular shape either in large or small board. Chisel used for carving woods and cleaning joints and saw cuts. Claw hammer, it is a tool used for driving and pulling out nails. Plane, used for smoothing or taking out sharpness. Level bar, it is a bubble reading level which indicates the levelness of the surface being tested accuracy. Nail is a metal has one end point and one end flattened for hammering. Oil stone used for sharpening edge. Knife is not considered as carpentry tools but still useful. It can use by cutting small ties and large ties. Timbilyaba.
Kicked her out the road, said thanks a lot. Goddamn, I love paper like a Michael Scott. I can do things that your man cannot. Slab boy coming down, damn, I'm hot. Everybody say that I gotta restart. Even though my final form ain't none like. I'm so ahead of you, motherfuckers. How you comprehend what you ain't understanding?
Tile A9, Teaching Common Competencies in Industrial Arts Activity. Thank you for watching. Good day!